One of my favorite snacks, Oreo, recently reached out to someone to create them a landing page, and this person chose to create that landing page with WEBFLOW. And in this video, we're going to go ahead and check that website out, and also two other websites that I'm particularly digging for this month of October. It's that time of the month again, the best WEBFLOW websites for the month of October. Stick around. Now keep in mind, these are not all new websites. One of them is new. Some of them are websites that have been created a long time ago. But I just wanted to feature some WEBFLOW websites for the month of October. So let's hop right into it. The first website we're going to look at is made by a guy named Joseph Berry. And he's a super talented designer and WEBFLOW developer. And one of my favorite snacks, Oreo, recently reached out to him to create a website, a landing page for them called the playfulnetwork.com. By the way, let me know what camp you're in the comments below. Are you a guy who eats their Oreos by, twisting off the cookies and licking the cream first? Or do you eat it as a whole? I have transitioned in my life, and life is all about change. I used to be one that have to lick the cream off first, but now I just eat it whole. I think it's a more pleasant experience. But let's go ahead and go to this website. We're going to start by refreshing it. We're going to go ahead and refresh this website so that we can see the animation, that loading animation, and also the header animation. I recently put up a video. Actually, why don't you go ahead and click it in the link right here. And it's just simply how you can improve UX with just these simple animations. Simple loading animations like that. Also, when the website just loaded and just when text comes in like that, those animations, those simple ones, can really improve the user experience. I will go ahead and scroll down in this website. Beautiful. I love the design, and I love just the thought really of it. Welcome to the future of connectivity. And those have the Wi-Fi symbol right here with the Oreos following you around, and I think this is for a contest or something like that. So let's see. You see these simple animations as you scroll down. Those are really key because that intrigues the user to keep on going down to kind of see what's next, right? And these really improve the user experience. We have a video here. As you can see, we have the scrolling animation as you scroll down. The words kind of rotate. Those are actually pretty simple to do. And this one right here, I love this one as well. As you scroll down, the words here that kind of go left and right, and it's very flowy motion. And what's cool about WEBFLOW, you're able to do this easily. You're able to figure this out. Before this, you'd have to go through code and try to figure this out, but now WEBFLOW, you can play around with the animations and do this. And don't be intimidated by animations. You're able to use them, and you're able to make something beautiful out of them. And so I really enjoyed this website. Good job, Joseph Berry. There's other pages as well, but I love the content, of course, and just also the design and the animation of it. And great job. The second one we're going to look at, I didn't even know this, but we are now 2 for 2. Joseph Berry made this one as well. I tell you, super talented designer and developer. And it's called Moon Ultra Light. I think it is for a product that you put on your phone so you can add light for pictures or anything like that, and you can modify the brightness, modify the colors, and it's mostly for photography. So let's go ahead and look at this. Let's see, there's a loading animation. We're into those loading animations, right? There you go. You guys see that? I'm gonna refresh that again so you can check that out. We got the logo, the nav, and also this right here with the middle going up like that and twisting. Man, I tell you what, that's amazing. As you can see, it was awarded website of the day, so we know it's a good video, good website. And so as we scroll down, these are helpful as well for user experience so that the user knows where they're at on their website. So those are really cool as well. Pretty simple to do in WEBFLOW. I love that transition of color. Actually, I'm working on a website right now that's gotta have that as well, where it goes from, well, this one goes from light to dark. The one I'm doing is going from dark to light. And then we see the video. I love this one. Check this out. As you scroll down, this is kind of maybe some inspiration from Apple. I know Apple does this a lot. And we see the text there scrolling and fading out. That's beautiful. It says to adjust your brightness because the light can adjust the brightness. And as you scroll down, the text, the picture, the image, everything is getting brighter and the light is turning on. And then as you scroll down, it's adjusting the color as well on the right side. So look at the attention to detail there. These details really help you stand out as a web designer, as a web developer. And then we go back to the white background as we scroll down. We keep going down and just talking about the product here, rechargeable, so on and so forth. And then we have, as you scroll down, the image and the phone switches between iPhone, I believe that's Google, and all that stuff. So it's a great landing page. And a lot of things that people don't realize, a lot of times more important than the design is the content. Content is important as well. So you can kind of click and pre-order this. So great job, Joseph Berry. You are 2 for 2 right now on our WEBFLOW websites of the month. And the last one we want to show you is made by a digital or advertising agency, media agency called ESE Media, and it is the Star Bicycle Bike Shop, starbicycle.ch. If you're a fan of WEBFLOW, you've seen this website, and really, I know I'm a sucker for animation. So let's check this out here. As we scroll down, we see the image here getting darker, and I love this one right here. I just scroll, so the legs are controlled by the scrolling down. So if I scroll down, it goes that way. Scroll back up, and so the way to do this is you want to try to create this. I'm not sure if this is a GIF. I don't think this is a GIF. I think it's a Lottie file. They made it into a JSON, a Lottie file, and then you have it where it animates as you scroll. So I think that's what they did here. And then we'll go ahead and go down. I love this one right here. Notice how the two guys, as you scroll down, and you see the animation there. So that's super awesome. And then we have one more right here. It's the planning for this, man, is insane. These are some of the websites that we hope to, work on. The planning, the video, just everything just works so seamlessly. And these are an e-commerce website as well. So WEBFLOW is good for your products, whatever products you're looking to sell. This is a great place to do that. And great job, Star Bicycle. Killer job, especially on the homepage. It's the combination of photography and videography, I guess, and web design and development and even typography. Seamless, great job. So we've looked at 3 awesome websites, 2 by Joseph Berry, but there's some things that we can learn. And what's cool about WEBFLOW is you can go to the showcase and see some of these websites. You can learn from them, and some of them are actually even clonable. You can filter whatever is clonable, and you're able to put these on your WEBFLOW dashboard and then reverse engineer and learn how they did an animation, learn how they did something. And those are some of the best ways to learn, when you just look at something and then reverse engineer that. So I encourage you to do that. I hope that you enjoyed that video. If you did, I'm going to only ask you for one favor. You don't even have to like the video. I mean, if you want to, go ahead. But go ahead and click the subscribe button. We want to keep coming out with content about WEBFLOW, about web design, about being and growing as a freelancer. And I really hope that these content will help you. If you have any questions about being a web designer, I want you to do me a favor. Go ahead and put them in the comments below, and I'll try to answer them to the best of my ability. I always try to stay engaged in the comments, and I hope that you go ahead and join and be a part of my journey. Until next time, once again, my name is Abrot. I'm the founder and creative director at Abrot Creative. And always remember, always keep learning. Bye.